Us. VINCENZO'S Gold Crypto Investing, and in this quick update here, we're going to do some updates tonight. We have tomorrow off of work, so we're going to have a lot of things going on, and we have a lot of things changing in our growing community as the channel continues to grow. More and more attention is getting brought to us. As you know, I'm in a negotiation with Bitget as we're working on a partnership, just like my Bitget one, but hopefully it's well, I'm trying to work out great deals for you guys right now, right? It would help support the channel for me, and it would help support you guys by trying to give you guys great promotions and great deals. So we're working out the kinks in the negotiations with Bitget. And also, I've just started a partnership too. Amazon has reached out. And if you guys do shopping on Amazon, I'm trying to figure out how to get this going. It's just fairly new, but you can see I have down here, where is it at? Shop on Amazon, use old VINCENZO'S affiliate link to support the channel. Let me know if that's working or what's going on with that. I'm trying to figure that out. But if you guys shop on Amazon and you want to shop for something, use my link down below, and that helps support the channel. And you guys will get some great deals on there when you're using my affiliate partner link. And it's an associate link. I'm trying to figure out the ins and outs with it, so it's going to take a few days to really hash that out and understand exactly how to use that. But that is another link that old Vincenzo is utilizing for you guys to give you guys good deals. And if you're an active Amazon shopper, it doesn't cost you anything to use my link. It just does support the channel. I get a few cents in our referrals if somebody shops off my link and stuff you were going to buy anyways. It doesn't affect your price. You'll actually get a better price by using my link, because they like to give people deals if they're using affiliate links, right? So that all helps support the channel, and it's much appreciated as my channel continues to grow and I continue to put out things. And I'm going to start going off of Amazon on products that I use, and I'll refer them to you guys on products that I buy, earphones, microphones, whatnot, right? And then any other things that you guys would normally shop on Amazon, just use that affiliate link, and that does help support the channel. And you guys do get a discount on items that will have special sales only to people that use my affiliate link. If you want to use it, please, somebody try to use it. Let me know if it's working, not working, so I can hash it out with Amazon. It's going to take a few days to really get it down and going, but that all helps support the channel, and I greatly appreciate it, as it keeps my content free, and it keeps all these links that you guys use. It helps to keep my YouTube Jabroni Killer memberships at an industry exclusive and best value of $2.99 a month, or $38 a year, all simply because you guys are using my links in my affiliate platforms and my partnered links. Amazon, Bitget we're working on right now. In the next few 3, 4, 5 days, we should have our Bitget partnered link, and then of course my Bitget partner link. That all helps keep the channel free, and that all helps keep the members of Jabroni Killers YouTube cheapest and best value at $38 a year if you choose the cheapest option, right? And I once again say I appreciate everybody that's been sticking around with me as the channel is getting out to the station. And every little link that you guys use, it all helps keep this thing going, keep this momentum. VINCENZO'S Gold Crypto Investing. And in another Bitcoin update, as you know, we're working on a Bitget partnership. which helps keep the channel free, the content coming, and keeps the members of Jabroni Killers at an industry exclusive best value of $2.99 or $38 a year. By far, that is the best deal on YouTube. We don't charge $3,000, $5,000, $10,000 for classes or anything like that because of my partnered links that I have. And another one that I'm trying to work out with, I'm trying to get everything situated, is an Amazon affiliate partnered link. We've got it, but I'm not exactly sure it's on. So I'm in communication with Amazon, but right down here, if you do buy things on Amazon, it doesn't cost you any money. You actually get a better deal. Holy shit. You actually get a better deal if you use my link, and my Amazon partner link is right there, just below my $5,000 bonus for Bitget, right? And we're working on our Bybit link, but use that Amazon link right there. You just do a little tappy tap there, and that helps support the channel and keeps the content free, right? And it keeps my industry exclusive best bargain and cheapest, my cheapest and in the industry $38 a month. If you want to use my, if you want to become members of Jabroni Killers and use the cheapest link and platform, it's only $2.99, all because you guys use my links. And that Amazon link, I shop at Amazon, you shop at Amazon, we all shop at Amazon. And if you're going to shop on Amazon anyways, you might as well use my link down below. If it's not working yet, I'm working on the kinks out of it with Amazon, right? Just use that link, buy anything you were going to buy anyways on Amazon already, right? You might as well use my link since you were going to shop on Amazon anyways, and it helps support the channel. And that is one of the most important things people can do in order to keep it free, right? And to keep it cheap for everybody that is on here and on my channel. And I greatly appreciate it to everybody that uses that. And it helps me keep and spread the message and the information that old Vincenzo's trying to spread, and most importantly, the education that comes with it. So if you can use my links and you're an Amazon shopper, I make a little bit of money off it, but most importantly, you get a better deal than you normally would by using a partnered link, and it's much appreciated. And I can only hope that it continues to go that way, and you guys continue to use my links as the Bitget link down there and my Bybit link that's shortly to come here in the next few days. But the Bitcoin price, as we pull out our industry exclusive purchasing tool, you can see if you want to get bullish this weekend, you got to get above this bear flag upper resistance and get on top of this 22,000 and change to 23,000 right here to trade on up. But right now, what I fear and what I'm thinking is you're underneath it and you've been getting rejected by it in the past. I think you're going to trade down towards this 21,085 this weekend in Bitcoin, but we'll continue to watch out for that, right? Ethereum, you can see with our industry exclusive purchasing tool, I don't know why it does that. You can see if you want to get bullish in Ethereum, you got to get above this area right here, right? You got to get above this horizontal upper resistance at $1,685. And if you did that, you could run up to 2169 really quick. But the longer you stay below the $1,769 mark right here in blue, it's going to force you down towards this $1,269 in Ethereum. And that's what I'm watching for this weekend. And then everybody's favorite XRP, just like we were talking about in XRP, it seems like for the last few weeks, as long as you're below this 37 cents, you're getting shot down as you tried to pick your head above this. Bam! Shot, bam! Right in the head. Dip down below right here. As long as you're below that, that's very bearish. And it's going to knock you down towards this regional supply zone, which is just above the last line of defense in orange, aka get my shit together to the shit house. And if you stay rejected below this and slip below the 200-day right here, you're going to trade down into this white supply zone. If you can get above that and hold it as support, much like Ethereum, you can make a nice run to 48 cents. And if you're a long-term hodler in XRP and you're trying to figure out when you should start long-term hodling, anything below where you're at now, you can parcel your way in. but I do believe you're going to come down to a 10 to 15 cent range, 10 to 20 cent range, and I think you're going to have extended time down there to accumulate XRP, but that's not for sure. Nobody knows the future, but I think you're going to get down into this range between the 11 cents and the 20 cents, as we have a 20 cent target that we've had since the price of XRP was way up here in that 12-month symmetrical triangle when it was $1.60, $1.70. Horrible places to accumulate. But anything down here, you can partial your way in. Don't go all in if you've got $10,000 that you want to buy in XRP for the long term. Buy some now, buy some as it drops down farther, and then just keep averaging in dollar cost average, whether you buy once a week, once a day, once a month. But I think there's going to be a max accumulation zone and down into this orange support zone, right? And the farther down in that orange support zone, the better and better mass accumulation it'll be. But now is not a bad time. If you think XRP is a major player and it's going to have a major pump into the future after we come out of this bear market, it's a great time to start accumulating. And the farther down in this price range that you get, the better and better accumulation it would be. So you start off just nibbling, and the more, if you have 500 shares of XRP, 500 coins, and it goes down 20 cents down into this 15 cent range, buy 2,500 coins down there, and then you have an average cost down in the 20 cent range area, right? And that's a great spot to accumulate. It's a great area to do it. And I'm going to start breaking down great areas. I'm going to start breaking down areas that I feel are great areas to accumulate all these coins, right? And I know there's a lot of XRP people in here. I am not an XRP maximalist, right? But I do think XRP has a future. I'm not as bullish to where it's going to take over the banking system as some of you. But hey, if you've done your research, you know what you're looking at, and more power to you. And I'm willing to give you these ranges that I feel are areas that should be mass accumulated. And then if we look at some XRP, you can see the U.S. gets another crypto regulation idea. Get your daily blah, blah, blah. Regarding the U.S. commodities futures trading, CFTC would take the leading role in overseeing Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, and the platforms where they are traded under a new bill from Senator Debbie Stabenow, communist scumbag. I hate Debbie Stabenow from Michigan. And John Boozman, sounds like an alcoholic. The Washington Post reported oversight of the remaining crypto assets would be divided between the CFTC and the U.S. Security and Exchange Commission, SEC, through the process for making those determinations is not yet clear. Security News blockchain security company PeckShield said it detected some USD 9 million returned into cross-chain messaging protocol nomads. Sounds like they're taking the name after No Man from Al Bundy. Funds recovery addresses following yesterday's attack included Ethereum 100, USDC 3.78 million, USDT 2 million, WETH 200, DAI 150,000, etc. North Korean scammers are plagiarizing online resumes and pretending to be from other countries to get remote work at U.S. crypto firms to aid illicit money-raising efforts for the government, according to securities researchers at Mandiant Inc. reported Bloomberg, right? So you can see money has been returned to these companies because everything on the crypto sphere is tracked, logged, categorized, and secured, because everything from the first sale to trade to hodling, all of those are kept on the blockchain. Everything is tracked. It is not anonymous. Everything can be tracked, right, that you do on there. If you're doing nefarious, illicit things, it will be tracked, just like they were able to refund and give back some of the money that was heisted and fleeced from unsuspecting people, because everything is tracked, which that's not all bad, but you guys got to realize that, as that's part of the thing. And once again, please use my affiliate partner links, my Amazon that I'm working out, my Bitget link down below that helps keep my content at an industry exclusive, best value and cheapest by far on YouTube for member Jabroni Killer at $38 a year, right? Security blockchain PeckShield said it had, we just read that, Trouble crypto exchange ZipMix announced that it has started releasing unaffected digital assets Solana, Cardano, and XRP to users' wallets after having stabilized the situation following the Celsius and Babel finance related issues. SOL was released on Tuesday, while XRP and ADA are planned for Thursday and the following Tuesday, respectively. Wallet news: My Ether wallet has announced the launch of its cross-chain browser extension, Encrypt, built with the support of Web3 Foundation, which will support transactions across Ethereum and Polkadot DOT ecosystems at launch. Will provide cross-chain access with the Polkadot ecosystem through integration with Parachains, Akala, and Moonbeam, along with all the other accompanying carrying networks. More Parachain and Ethereum virtual machine EVM compatible coins will be added in the coming weeks, right? NFTs.com domain was acquired for USD 15 million, according to Domain Investing, citing a press release. So that's a great win for somebody that had that. And that's just some of the breaking news that's going on here in the crypto sphere. Continue using my links. You are much appreciated. To all my Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing followers, as I continue to try to bring you free education and informative factual information to help you sidestep the charlatans, the market manipulation, and troubling times as we try to tread the water. I once again thank you to all of my beautiful audience members as the channel continues to grow, gain attention, and continues to expand the message of Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing. Peace and love. Peace and love.